Hello everyone, this is Kirk Ullery with Molex. Welcome back to our video series, Beyond the Garage, where we highlight current Molex automotive connectors, then provide specific examples of other applications where these products can be used. Beyond the Garage. Today, we will talk about our two smallest sealed automotive connection systems, MX64 and Mini50 sealed. Both part families are designed for automotive sensor and lighting applications. These parts are unique because Molex only makes the cable or wiring side. The mating interface is molded into the sensor or lighting assembly. This effectively replaces a separate header connector while facilitating one-handed assembly in those tight spaces found throughout the vehicle. If you have seen other episodes in this series, you may have already realized the difference between these parts. Mini50 sealed has 0.5 millimeter wide terminals, and MX64 has 0.64 millimeter wide terminals. The Mini50 sealed system is available in 2, 4, or 10 circuit sizes. These are popular choices for sensors used in the Advanced Driver Assist Systems, also known as ADAS, found in all new vehicles. The systems are used for blind spot monitoring, backup detection, and even noise canceling systems. MX64 comes in circuit sizes of 2 through 8. It may surprise you to learn that this small connector can carry up to 10 amps current. This rating allows us to use MX64 for many vehicle lighting assemblies. Since we only manufacture the cable side connector, Molex provides 3D CAD models so the lighting manufacturer can mold this interface into their assemblies. We also manufacture the pin arrays for those devices. Now, let's move beyond the garage and look for non-automotive applications for these systems. These products have applications that can be used across multiple industries, as you see here. Let's look at a few of them now. Most construction vehicles utilize joystick controls to move the equipment and operate their primary systems. A single joystick can control over 10 different functions, and each one of those functions requires a unique connection. Both of these systems have been qualified to stringent shock, vibration, and temperature extremes to ensure they function flawlessly for many years in these harsh environments. The key difference between the two systems will be current rating and package size. The current rating for Mini50 is 4 amps compared to the MX64's 10 amps. While the lower current Mini50 doesn't provide the higher current of MX64, it still delivers a rugged product in reduced package size. Cloud connectivity is another application for MX64 and Mini50 sealed systems in construction and agricultural equipment. Real-time access to data significantly improves productivity in many areas, ranging from planting and harvesting data to equipment health and downtime. This drives the need for multiple sensors to monitor complex systems within the unit. Our customers also mount lighting modules around the equipment to allow for continuous operation in all weather conditions. MX64 is a great choice for ruggedized, high-current sensors and LED lighting modules. And Mini50 sealed products help sensors fit into the smallest spaces possible. As you develop new product designs, consider harsh environment usage. Then see how the same Molex MX64 and Mini50 sealed products used in millions of passenger vehicles can help you design a rugged and reliable system to avoid expensive failures. More information on these connector families, along with hundreds of other rugged and reliable solutions, can be found on our website at molex.com. This is Kirk Ullery signing off for now, but I look forward to seeing you on another episode of Beyond the Garage. And remember, whether it's in the garage or beyond the garage, Molex, creating connections for life.